What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Rel back with another video. Today we're about to redesign the infamous Waffle House logo, so stay tuned and check it out. Peace. Quick disclaimer, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I mean no disrespect by redesigning the logo. Shout out to the original designers. Peace. Alright, so how we got to this point of wanting to redesign the Waffle House logo? Well, I was Googling ugliest logos and an article by WPMUDEV.com came up and it had Waffle House at number 3 ugliest logos. This is not my opinion. This is their opinion. Okay, so if y'all got a problem, take it up with them. Ain't got shit to do with me. All right. And I was like, damn, that's crazy, because Waffle House is pretty prevalent in Oklahoma City. People eat there all the time. After the club at 3 a.m., Waffle House tastes amazing. You got to be drunk though.
Oh, delicious.
But we used to eat that all the time, so I was like, why not? Let's rebrand it. So my initial synopsis of Waffle House is it's ratchet, it's ghetto as fuck, it ain't safe, it's dangerous as hell, and it got a lot going on up there.
You need to make sure that you try Waffle House. Yeah, I've heard of that place. Do they have like top tier waffles?
No.
High quality food?
No.
Is it like a good family environment?
No. I mean, fights, all types of shit. Yeah, be safe when you go to Waffle House after 12 a.m. because anything can happen. But we gonna fix it up. We gonna rebrand them. We gonna redesign their logo. We gonna change the colors, and we gonna see what we can come up with. I already got a few ideas. We can put together this mood board. Then we gonna sketch. We go through the whole process. You already know what we gonna do. Mood board, sketch, design, change the colors. Right. Okay. So stay tuned and let's get it started right now. All right, guys. So here we go. I put together a little mood board. With all these designs that I like. They all give me inspiration for different styles of designs. My main one that I like probably be the Chai Max at the top left. I don't know how to say that. But I like all of them just because they all have a different feel, they all have a different style, and they all bring different energies. And I'm really big on that. I'm really big on just getting inspired by different designs. Sometimes my designs won't look exactly like what I have on my board, but they've inspired in a way that that helped me get to that point. I try to bring my own style to everything, but sometimes I'm deeply inspired by things like this, and they help me get to that point. So with this one, the Chai Max Diner, or Chayox. Ooh, shit, I'm butchering that shit. It's butchered. I'm so sorry. Whoever designed that, you're fire. You're dope. I don't know how to pronounce it, so if y'all know in the comments, spell it out for me. That'd be nice. Yeah, this is what I came up with. Let me know what you guys think about this. My second one probably be this one. Second favorite would be this one. I like how loud it is. I like the colors they used. I like the 3D burger effect. Love it. Love the Burger Delicious font with the black stroke around it. Fresh taste up there by the burger. I love the whole layout of the design, the upside down triangle. Phenomenal. Love it. We're about to get started on this logo design. I really didn't need to do too much as far as the mood board goes. I really didn't need that much. I already had an idea in my head and I was just gonna roll with that, but I did put together this just to kind of help me kind of get my thoughts together and organize the project. I'm gonna go ahead and sketch some of these out and I'm gonna load them up into Illustrator. Let's get okay. So we've loaded the sketches in here. I knocked those out. We only got like 5 of them on here. I really didn't need to sketch that much either. It's just a waffle, right? So I did have a few ideas, mainly just this one with the crumbs on it and like a syrup outline on it. We're gonna see what we can create, but you know my style. Like I'll have these drawn out and then I'll just go with something completely different, and it won't look shit like what I had on there like the last video. So that's just how my process is. All right. Here's where we are. Let me know what y'all think. These are rough sketches. I really don't go into too much detail on my rough sketches. But anyway, guys, we're about to get started on creating this. Let's go. All right, guys. So I realized when I got to editing the video that I didn't talk that much when I was designing. That's my apologies. Sometimes I get in these zones where I'm just designing. I'm zoned out. It's a gift and a curse. Graphic design for me is most of the time it's therapy. It allows me, and it's like a meditation. It allows for me to get out of my head and just to create and be fun, have fun and be free and stuff like that. So really that's usually what happens. So I'm trying to get used to recording it and explaining my process, because I really don't even know my own process. Sometimes I just go, and that's kind of what happened right here. So again, my apologies. Hopefully me having a voiceover will help engage you guys in the video. But what you see here is me creating the beginning part of the design. What I wanted to create was a waffle, a 1 of 1, something that looks family friendly, looks creative, looks you know, markets towards families. Right now, Waffle House is more marketed towards, well, anybody. It's kind of just out the way. It is a staple. I want to put that out there. It is a staple, not only in Oklahoma, but in other cities, other states. I've heard people talk about how much they love Waffle House, you know. The Joe Budden podcast used to talk about it all the time. So I don't want to just shed it in a negative light all the time. I feel like it gets a bad rap, and sometimes it be the people that come there. It don't be the actual company. Sometimes it be the customers, and I think that's because they're open 24/7. I think, or they got like crazy hours where they always open. So you can always get some food at the Waffle House. I've had some great times there at 3 a.m. with my family, my cousins, after the bar or after a club or something. We go in there and just meet some great people and just get to kick it, you know. So for me, that's dope. Waffle House is dope. It's always gonna be dope for that, for allowing people to come in and, you know, have these great memories. So I don't want to shed a negative light on Waffle House as far as that goes. This rebranding project is more so just reimagining it to make it more approachable, make it look like a safer place to eat. And I don't mean as far as the quality of food, I mean like what goes on outside the place. Sometimes it get crazy out there, okay? It'd be some sketchy people outside of Waffle House. All right, so that's what I mean. I don't mean no disrespect by this video. But this is just my brain reimagining how Waffle House would be if I was designing the logo. I have no affiliation with them at all. But I wanted to know what you guys thought about the project, what you guys think about this video. Again, I apologize for not talking more into the camera. I was really just kind of focused on the task at hand. September went by really fast. It's almost over. October will be here. My birthday's in 3 weeks. Shout out to me. I had this whole vacation planned. Me and my dad paid for our vacation to Orlando. But as y'all see, Hurricane Ian, or whatever the hell that thing is called, is crazy. And this is just the beginning. It hasn't even landed yet. It hasn't even touched down yet, but it seems like it's gonna do some damage. So I'm sending all my love and safety and prayers and good vibes, whatever, to everybody out in Florida that's gonna be in surrounding areas that's going to be affected by Hurricane Ian, because it seems nuts, man. I've been watching on the news, and I think my vacation is gonna get canceled. So I gotta call Airbnb, these airports and all this, and try to get my money back, because yeah, this is a natural disaster and that's gonna get nuts, man. But it ain't really about me. It's more so about the people that's gonna be affected. So sending my love to you. If you are one of my subscribers or just a passer buyer, subscribe first of all. Second of all, be safe out here in these streets, man, because it look nuts. It look crazy. What are you looking forward to in the future with your business? What content would you like to see from me? How are you liking the logo redesign videos where I'm reimagining companies and rebranding them? Would you want to see more of that? What do you want to see from me? I know a lot of you guys like when I give out game in my videos, you know, as far as like my experiences. And I have another video coming up, my video talking about my worst graphic design job at Fast Signs. Oh my god. Like, that shit got everything in it. It got racism in it. It has, man, just a bunch of drama. Always, it's a lot, man. I hated that job. That was the worst graphic design job I've ever had, man. They treat you like a machine up there. They don't care about nothing else but you getting the job done, essentially. So y'all let me know what other content you would like to see from me. You know, this is primarily a graphic design channel, but I also talk about life and just everything in general. Also, tell me about what projects you guys are working on. What things are you looking forward to? What trends you're looking for as far as graphic design in 2023 coming, you know, because it's coming really soon. So tell me about all that. I want to know everything that you guys got going on. I want to know how you doing, how your family doing, you know, all that. Are you in Florida? Are you visiting Florida? Have you visited Florida? What are your thoughts about Florida? Everything. So yeah, I'm about to check out, and we're about to transition into the end of the video. So I'm gonna let this music play out, let y'all vibe out to this music, and then I'm gonna come back when it's time to talk about the final product, and y'all tell me what y'all think. Okay, so we are here. We went with the beige, the yellow, and the white and dark brown on this project. I also went with the script font, a classic script font. The good food fast is the actual slogan from Waffle House. Let me know what you guys think about that. Let me know what you think about the design, the logo, the layout, everything. I tried to make it family friendly, approachable, and just all around cleaner, cleaner design. The original logo is just squares, yellow boxes with X with the letters in them. It's kind of boring, but it's okay. Also, I didn't design merch, but we can definitely do that in a second video. If you want to do that, let me know. I would love to design some merch for Waffle House and just for you guys, the channel to view. So let me know what you guys think about everything. Y'all have a great week. Y'all be safe out here, like I said earlier, and I'm holla at y'all. Peace. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that. All right, bye.